Today I'm going to show you a very simple and clean way on how to print arrays in Java. As you can see, I already declared a one-dimensional array, array1, and a two-dimensional array, array2, and I filled both of those arrays. And now we're going to print them. So to print a one-dimensional array, you just have to type Arrays.toString. So System.out.println and Arrays.toString and the name of your one-dimensional array. But of course, this doesn't work for multidimensional arrays. So to print multidimensional arrays, there's actually a similar command like this, but it looks a little different. It looks like this. So it's System.out.println Arrays.deepToString. And with this function, you can print two or more dimensional arrays. If you want to see your array printed out as a matrix, or you just want some more formatting, you could also, of course, use a for loop, which looks like this. You could use a normal for loop. I prefer the for each loop because it looks more clean. So we're going to run it to see the different results. Okay, so this is our first array. It's just one row. The second array is the multidimensional array. It's very long, so no breaks. And this is the third one, the matrix view of an array. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please leave the thumbs up. See you next time.